Lot number 42B matches the certification.
Confirmed. The tubes are within tolerance.
The smoothness is within the target range. Good.
Maintain the slurry flow rate.
Temperature is stabilizing at 1200 degrees Celsius.
Acknowledged. The hydrogen flow rate is optimal.
We are ready for the next phase.
Pressure is fluctuating at 0.4.
I see it. Adjusting the flow now.
Sensitivity levels achieved. We have activation.
Confirmed. The spike is within tolerance.
Energy levels are stabilizing. Confirmed. We are ready for phase 2.
Initiating the pulse sequence now.
The bloom is significant at this intensity. Yes, the halo effect is exactly as predicted. Let's record the chromatic aberration.
Temperature on this manifold seems slightly elevated.
Yeah, within tolerance, but I'll make a note.
Vacuum pressure is holding steady right here.
All right, let's keep monitoring the plasma density.
We need more housings over here.
I'll bring the next batch right away.
Did you verify the serial numbers on the last shipment, Priya?
Yes, Supervisor. They match the manifest.
The efficiency curve is exceeding the threshold right here.
Yes, the stability is much higher with this composition.
Look at the clarity on the white module compared to the green.
It's much brighter, and the focus is stable. We should log these readings.
Look at the reading here on panel 7.
That's within tolerance, but let's monitor the flow rate.
He actually said that right in front of the supervisor.
No way, I missed that. He's always pulling stunts like that.
The calibration seems slightly off on this axis.
Let me adjust the potentiometer here and see the result.
These are the foundational patents for the new NVG systems.
filed back in 2005.
It's remarkable how far the technology has come since then.
As you can see, the error rate since Q2 has dropped to nearly zero.
And your source material certification, is that fully compliant with?
All right, bring it back slow. Slow now. Hold it right there. We're clear.
Morning, badge, please.
Here it is.
Thank you, you're all set.
The pressure on vaporizer 3 is running high. I see that. Let's log it and monitor the flow rate.
Yields on the blue line are still lagging behind target.
Yes, but the adjustment we made yesterday is showing improvement here on the green line.
Ensure the specifications match the diagram.
Already verified. Moving to station 3.
The new atmospheric control systems are fully operational now.
Impressive. The yield should increase significantly.